As they're picking up speed, we're getting ready to go 20 laps for the American Short Trackers. Pick your driver. Here they come, they come, they come! Green flag, and we're racing!
As the feature goes, it's David Russell Jr. in an 8 car trying to hold off the 55 of Shannon Stoltz.
As they battled in the Heat 1, we're going to see a replay again as these two go side by side.
And Steve Erickson in the 68, the 9 of Aaron Root, and the 98 of Kelly Evans. They are not going to like the position they are. They're going to bump and grind their way all the way to the front.
Erickson Jr. almost made it 3 wide there coming out of turn 2. Let's see what he does in that 68 car, looking to the inside of Stoltz again for the lead, but Rude is right there with him.
And this is how you go into turns 1 and 2 with 5 cars all right there. As they attempt to go 3 wide, and Steve Erickson Jr. is still going to hang in there. They almost went 4 wide in the turns 4. Stoltz to the 55 up front. Steve Erickson in the 68 on the low side with the battle. Kelly Evink right behind him, and Dave Russell Jr. in that 8 car trying to battle and get his spot back on the outside. Aaron Root in that 9, rounding up your top 5 in that Pinto. But it's Steve Erickson Jr. now in that 68 car. Who's out front? Kelly Evink in the 98, right on his tail. Along with the 55 of Shannon Stoltz. Aaron Root, David Russell Jr., your top 5, but it's Steve Erickson Jr. who's out front with the 98 of Kelly Evink hard on his trail. The 55 of Shannon Stoltz is going to try and hold off the 9 of Aaron Rood and the 8 of David Russell Jr. Erickson now being battled by Kelly Evink in that 98.
Points are all on the line. Aaron Rood's starting to fall off a little bit. He is the current points leader of that number 9 car, as Evink and Erickson would love to gain a points and maybe take the lead here tonight in the point standings.
Erickson with only 1 feature win. Evink with 6 feature wins. And watch out for that number 9, Aaron Rood, that Pinto, always finding his way up there. But again, the battle is going out for the 2nd and 3rd point leader in the 68 of Erickson and the 98 of Evink. Rood in the 9 is in 3rd, 55 of Shannon Stoltz in 4th, and David Russell Jr. in that 8 car in the 5th spot trying to hold off.
It's the halfway mark this time around. It's Erickson, Evink, Rood, Stoltz, Russell, and Dixon.
And Dixon now in a battle with the 8 of Rood, but it's still Erickson and Evink out front, the 68 and the 98. Aaron Rood and that Pinto slowly working his way up there as those two battle it out. The 55 of Shannon Stoltz now currently in the 4th spot looking comfy as David Russell Jr. is taking that 5th spot along the backstretch.
Kelly Evink's got a very fast car out there, letting Steve Erickson Jr. know he is right there. I'm sure Steve isn't going to forget as the laps are winding down. 7 to go this time around.
And it's Steve Erickson still out front of Kelly Evink, but this thing is getting tight as they go into turns 1 and 2. Watch out for the 9, that Pinto, Aaron Rood creeping along as the 98 car of Kelly Evink trying to go on the low side. And it's still Erickson out front in the 68. Evink 2nd, Rood 3rd, Stoltz in 4th, Russell in 5th, Dixon in 6th, and Bridges in 7th. 14 laps in, and it's Erickson and Evink now in a battle as they go into turns 1 and 2. Erickson in that 68 trying to hold off the 98 of Evink. Erickson 2nd in points. Evink 3rd in points. He'll check the line. It's still the 68 of Steve Erickson Jr. 98 of Kelly Evink there, and here comes that Pinto, Aaron Rood, in that number 9. He was back a ways by about 4 car lengths, and he's now making it down inside 1. And there are your top 3 points leaders, all in the 1, 2, and 3 spot. Erickson continuing to try to hold off Evink, and in the meantime, that Pinto. Aaron Rood creeping along. Stoltz in the 55 in 4th, Russell in 5th, but watch out for Dixon And Bridges, they're in a little bit of a battle as well. 18 are in the books. Erickson and Evink coming around with 1 lap to go. Will Erickson hold off Evink? There's that Pinto. Aaron Roode. They're side by side on the backstretch into the turns 3 and 4. We're coming to the checkered flag. Who's it gonna be? I don't know. I don't know. They gave it to Steve Erickson Jr., it looks like. The 98 of Kelly Evink in second. Aaron Roode in that Pinto third. Shannon Stoltz in that 55 fourth. And David Russell Jr. in the 8 car, rounding off your top 5. But what a photo finish for the 68
Erica
car.
won that race.
Steve Erickson Jr., they're telling me. The 68.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a finish to start the feature races. Wow. Beating and hanging side by side. What? As he slowly getting out of his car. As he slowly gets our gentlemen, feature here. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen. It's Steve Erickson Jr. What a victory! What a Steve, come over here. We got to have a word. Congratulations. That you and Kelly Evink. Side by, I mean, he was right there. I don't know if he had a faster car. Maybe he did. He was side there. My God, what a finish. Did you feel that pressure?
There's always pressure with Kelly Evink behind you. Man, I honestly, after the first couple laps, there were some moves I probably should not have made, and I'm just really happy that the right front held up. I'm amazed at that. Whole time I was thinking in there, please, please hold up.
And you are second place in the point standing, so close to Aaron Roode, with Aaron finishing third. I wonder how big of a difference this is going to make. What do you think?
Hopefully it made a pretty big difference. Those Kelly and Aaron, they're tough, man. Kelly, especially when he's behind you, there's no messing up when you're in front of him, that's for sure.
Steve, one last thing. Do you have any sponsors or any crew members you'd like to thank?
Of course. To start off with my fiance Rachel, because I missed her on the last one, so thank her. Tanner, John Ripley for the help tonight. Dana Lapierre, he's the car owner. We got John Cabello, 68th District, our main sponsor. Without him, a lot of this probably wouldn't happen. Hayes Distributing, Miller Lite, Wilson Auto Body, Tina Bombs Now, Neighbors, Erickson Auto Parts, Yes Staffing. Way too many people to thank. And my mom, wherever she's at, she should be down here.
Steve, so something to drink. Congratulations. What's Erickson? Take care, buddy.